type of mayim is just as quirky as the other one, but it has 2 mayims in it and that's it. So I'll show you what this looks like. Usually it's paired with a starburst arm movement where you're facing into the circle, and then for the second mayim you face out. So this is what it looks like. So it's just over, out, behind, pivot, over, out, behind, pivot. So that's what this particular mayim looks like. So I'm going to teach it to you. So it's just a regular right mayim. So it's, let me start over here. So it's just a regular right mayim. So it's just over, out, behind, and then when you step out for the 4th beat, you automatically pivot outside the circle. And then it's not a left mayim that you do next. It's basically a backwards mayim. Because if you're facing in the circle for a regular right mayim, you're crossing over with your right leg into the circle, and then out, or then step out, and then behind with the right leg, and then out. So you're going to be mirroring that with your left leg. So once you've pivoted out, what you're going to do is the same thing. You take this leg that was previously your right leg when you were facing in, and that would cross in. So that's what you're going to do for when you do this. So just imagine that your left leg is now your right leg. So don't overthink it too much. Basically just mirroring what you're doing, what you have just done. So you just do regular right mayim, and then you pivot, then you take your left leg and cross it behind you, because that's what you did at first with the right leg, because you went inside, and then step out, and then left crossover, and then, yeah, finish that mayim. So that's what a starburst mayim looks like. So we'll do it one more time. So this is what it looks like from this side. Okay, so regular, right, cross, pivot, right, left behind, right, left, over. So what you do when you pivot out of circle is you're doing the mayim in reverse. So instead of crossing your left over your right leg, you cross it behind, just because that's the way it was created. Don't ask me why. So you do the mayim, and then pivot, and then left behind, and then left in front, and then you're ready for whatever the choreographer and the dance leader have in store next for you. Okay, this has been the dance tutorial for the mayim dance move. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And if I missed a type of mayim that you know about and I didn't put into this tutorial, please let me know. Put it in the comment section or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. So, until next time, go forth and dance.